Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the job we finished in the Toyota Hilux 2012, and this car actually coming to us with a lot of different section of work. At first we upgrade the car with the 10-inch touchscreen. You can see how the 10-inch touchscreen stay beautifully adjust firmly at the place and right at the position. Doesn't block the top clock, doesn't block any of the air access or the emergency but access. So that is the beautiful 10-inch touchscreen with the full setup of the wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto, which actually we are using our Android phone to record this video, so you can see that the system is running very well. Also we fit with the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. That is for the head unit and the reverse camera section. But also the car came with some faulty system of the headlight, spotlights, and fog light and tail light that didn't connect properly, so all of them was not working correctly, including the parking lights. So this moment everything already sorted, already fixed, and we can quickly show how it actually works. So in this case we already get the button here connect to the spotlight, so spotlight off and on, and this is the button for the fog light. Okay, because the car didn't come with the factory fog light, so we actually connect this button for the fog light, and this one is connect probably to the high beam, so you only have the spotlight on with the high beam, and also this one is connected to the low beam, so without the low beam lights on you cannot turn the fog light on. That's very good for the driving. So just have a look at the front. Okay, we already turn off the light, and you can see okay, that's the halogen light. We already upgrade the super bright parking light LED over here, but we still haven't done those one because the owner hasn't asked for that. And those ones, sporties, yeah, it will be turned on now with the high beam. So you can see the sporty right now, and you can see the sporty is very strong right now. Okay, so it's correctly white, and actually those sporty is connected to the high beam, and you know that this car is negative headlight controller, so we definitely have to use a dual relay setup to connect properly to the spotlight to the headlight, otherwise it won't work properly for the spotlights. And if you want to know how we actually set up the dual relays for this car, yeah, we have another video in our system. Now come out and have a look at the back end. So here's the one, actually it's the one that the customer want to fit in the back, and now we fit in. That is for the tailgate. Yeah, it will be connected to tail light, and the camera is right here. It's beautifully running over here, right there. So that's about it. Okay, so now we would like to show the reverse